एग्जैक्टली।
अभी हम सब बच्चे हैं सर, अभी सीख रहे हैं
और
आपसे।
वेरी मच एग्रीड, एज एक्सपेक्टेशन जब जब कम रखा है ना, तभी मैक्सिमम गेन्स हुआ है।
Correct.
Vinod Venkat.
Yes, Venkat.
Vinod, on a very uh, typical time where there is more volatility, like today, yesterday, in the recent past, right, last 2 3 days, uh, where we would probably able to guess that it will not be one directional. Obviously, both call and put are going to work at some point of the time in the day because the market is in bi-directional. When we have that kind of view, would it not make a sense to have the both call and put with some range defined at the same time active for different strikes instead of
So what you are
uh,
talking about is kind of a long straddle, a long triangle to be entering into. So uh, you're contradicting yourself. So when you said the market is bi-directional, so we are saying that there is no direction at all. Okay, there is uncertainty in the market. So quite a many people
correct?
approach, that I have bought CE and I have bought PE as well.
Yeah.
So this thing should be done ideally only when you are 100% sure that there is going to be one strong directional play that is going to happen. But if you are unsure of that, if you have no if you have gotten into this position because you have not been able to identify the direction which is going to get played, that is absolutely wrong trade, because you will be facing double hit or double dip on your position if market remains sideways. Okay,
Mm,
if market remains sideways, you are going to get a hit on your CE as well as on your PE. You missed the
I,
today's training session where we have gone through the option grid. You would have been better understood what I'm talking about.
I think I will have to do that next time. I
Yeah,
wasn't
नहीं बट और
right
एक्सपायरी के
today.
दिन तो सी और पी दोनों इरोज हो जाएगा ना, मतलब
exactly, exactly.
Sir, one
So,
question.
कौन है?
Abhishek here.
Abhishek, tell me.
Sir, I want to ask is whenever you say it is super risky trade,
Yeah.
so can I go for the trade which is the premium which will be low?
Doesn't make sense. So you're talking about out of the money options,
Yeah. That's right,
right?
sir.
So wouldn't make sense. So guys, when I'm seeing risky trade or super risky trade, so it doesn't mean that you cannot take it. You should not be taking it. You have to be extra careful with that trade. Okay,
Okay.
when I say it is a risky trade or it is kind of a super risky trade, it will be only when I'm going contra against the trend. But I would have seen some or the other kind of a support formation or kind of a remote reversal formation, and the SL is quite near to that. Okay, so
Okay.
with risky trades or super risky trade, I'm not sure if you have observed that or not, or if you have analyzed that or not. My super risky
Yes,
trade
sir.
and
Yes, sir.
my risky trades are the one which hits very high
Yes,
uh,
sir. Sure. Definitely.
max profits on that. Okay, the reason
Definitely.
because my super risky trade and risky trades are the one uh, who have the potentials of hitting the stop losses by 55% and hitting the targets, or making further rise or rally by 45%. Why 55%? Because my super risky or risky trades will be having most of the time they
हाई
will be having the
प्रोबेबिलिटी।
SLs very near. Okay,
Right, sir. Right.
so it may happen that no, I have seen quite a steady fall on the bank nifty, but it has taken support. I see some formations to be taking place, which is telling me that this is the formation and this is the support which bank nifty is creating. So I, as a technical trade, I wanted to get into that trade. I wanted to test that support formation, or I wanted to test that reversal formation that has been created recently. It is okay if I'm hit, but I know that what I have traded is technical and it is absolutely logical. Hence, uh, the reason for terming it to be super risky trade or risky trade is because, as I said, the probability of hitting the SL is 55%. So the problem is with the set of traders who don't understand all this. So if I address the 300 peoples in our channel, I'm addressing them. The problem is, even if I have said that this is the SL which you need to close, as soon as the levels are hit, they will still keep holding their trades even after the SL is hit. Hence, I have to keep them away. I have to keep them aside by terming it into risky or super risky trades.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Really
Any other
appreciate your
question, guys?
time.
Hello.
No. Yes, Ashu. Thank you, Sanjay.
So, sir, I have a question. Like, if we are bullish on a day, like let's say if we are bullish tomorrow, so is it advisable to do bull call? In that case, we don't have to put any stop loss also. If during the day if market went down also, then also our loss will be limited. And after that, after getting down, it may again reverse and pull back and give us profit. In that scenario, we don't have to put stop loss only, and we can trade with that only. Our loss will also will get limited and profit will also get minimized. So it's not suitable like it's I would suggest like stop loss being getting hit. It's better to reduce our profit and reduce
So
our
you are
losses also.
so Ashu, you are addressing the option seller part of it, you know, which definitely requires a different skill set. Okay, so if you tell me, uh, so this strategy set of things are things which needs to be learned. Okay, when the other fine day when you gave me or asked me a view on it, I asked you for the payoff charts, right? So
Yes,
with the
yes,
payoff chart itself, you will be able to gauge as to what is the risk and as to what are the ranges that you see. In which case you will be either making a break even, or in which case you will be even making a profits out of it. So that will require a decent amount of learning, a decent amount of skill set that needs to be built, which I cannot expect the 350 odd peoples in our channel to be developed, right? uh, if you have been making use of it very well, you understand bull call spread, everything and so on, do you should do it.
okay, so no, sir. Like I'm asking, on an everyday basis, we have a view like what will happen tomorrow. Is we are bullish or we are bearish? If we are bullish, so it's better to like do bull call. And bull call, what we do, we buy like a 12,000 call. We will buy the strike price of 12,000 call, and according to our own losses limited, we will sell like 12,200 call. So within that range only, our loss will get limited, and our profit will also get limited. And during the day, if market reverses, so there we don't have any tension like our stop loss will get hit. And generally, what happens with me is my stop loss get hit, and after that it again reverses and give me the profit. If I will see the premium, my stop loss got hit, and again I'm saying it's like if I would not have kept my stop loss over there, it would have given me around like 1,000, 2,000 rupees profit.
So you are suggesting that if we have some view or opinion for the next day trend, then you can kind of create a position prior to the trading session. That's right. That's what you are
Yes,
trying
yes,
to.
yes. Like within a day, we do 3 to 4 trades. If I'm bullish or bearish, I will just do one trade, and I will keep my profit also. I'm happy with like 500, 600 profit a day. That's way much. Like if I'm trading
So
with one lot, and over there, if I'm earning 500 rupee, I'm very much happy, because if I will see like on an yearly basis, it's a huge return, even earning 500 a day. I don't get this why people say 1,000 rupees is also not very much within a day. I think it's magnificent. If I'm earning 500 rupee with a lot, it's amazing.
right, I get that. So everyone will follow their own style of trades. Everyone will get the kick in their own style. So रोहित जी आप सुन रहे हो? आशु जी बोल रहे 500 रुपये भी बहुत ज्यादा
जी जी
होते
बिल्कुल। नहीं नहीं सर, अपनी अपनी सोच है, अपनी अपनी कैपिटल के हिसाब से आदमी का है।
हैं। राइट,
जिसने बीस
राइट।
नहीं,
लाख
मैं
रुपए
बोल रहा
मार्केट
हूँ
में
कि
गंवा दिए,
अगर
उसका 500 रुपए से कुछ नहीं होगा।
नहीं, अगर आप एक लॉट में 500 रुपए कमा रहे हो, मैं वो बोल रहा हूँ। अगर आपके पास 20 लाख
सर
रुपए तो आप उतने लॉट ले सकते हो, मैं
सर मैं वही
वैसा
बोल रहा
बोल
हूँ
रहा
ना,
हूँ।
जिसने 20 लाख रुपए लॉस कर दिए हैं वो 500,000 रुपए के लिए काम नहीं करेगा ना सर। हर आदमी का थॉट और प्रोसेस अलग अलग है।
ठीक है आशु, well taken. I mean, I do see. I mean, we have been in talks. We have been in discussion in terms of what positions that you are creating. You are going in the right direction.
Right side.
To the style that you have chosen. Can definitely continue with that. But everyone will have their own set of style, every own set of views, and wanted to take the way ahead. Guys, any other question?
But percentage wise, it's okay. यार 500 rupees on your investment is right. मतलब what I guess.
सर क्वेश्चन कुछ नहीं है, बस ये लग रहा है कि आप स्मार्ट बहुत लग रहे हैं।
Other guys, any feedback or any testimony for our channel?
सर फीडबैक यही है कि इसको 3,000 से ऊपर होना चाहिए, पता नहीं क्यों नहीं हो रहा।
Yes, sir, your calls are very good. I appreciate and I do follow your calls.
Thank you, Ashu.
Even I follow your calls so blindly, and like sincere is like I feel it's a lot of sincere efforts which goes on into it, and that's the reason I was thinking how can even make best for me. That's the reason I wanted to talk to you and ask you about those couple of questions which I had asked. But really, so sincerely, I see the sincere efforts you and for you put for your clients, for your customers, and you think about each and even the last one, not even just for the first few good ones. The last one, he should not make a loss. That's a brilliant idea. So just I feel.
Thank you.
सर दर्शन देने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
ट्रेनिंग में मुझे किसकी जरूरत होती है?
रोहित
हम सर लखनऊ वाले हैं, हम लोग ऐसे ही बोलते हैं।
सही है
Okay. I think no one else wants to. Yes, Shekhar. Okay. He is muted.
हेलो अभिषेक है
Yes,
सर।
Yes, Abhishek.
सर आप जो कॉल्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं उसके लिए थैंक यू, और आप लाइव मार्केट में भी रिप्लाई देते हो पर्सनली भी, और आपका फीडबैक ही तो यही है कि वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मैंने आपका देखा है, मतलब जो आप कॉल्स प्रोवाइड करते हो आज तक मैंने ऐसे कभी मार्केट में देखे नहीं है। एंड सर पर्सनली थैंक यू बिकॉज मैं बीच में ट्रेडिंग कर रहा था तो मैंने बहुत लॉसेस किए थे, सो बिकॉज ऑफ यू आई हैव कवर द लॉसेस and currently
Very
I'm
good.
not right now I'm not trading, but I've recovered that losses just
Very
because
good.
of you.
Very good. Very good. Glad. I'm glad to hear that.
I'm just now I'm just learning from you, and as soon as now I'm going to take sessions from you.
Sure, Abhishek. Anytime.
Yeah sir.
सर आपको जी बिजनेस लाइव देखना है।
So guys, I mean, see, I'm not kind of promoting the training sessions out here, but मैं चाहूंगा कि आप सब लोग trained traders बनो, ना कि किसी पे rely करो।
आपका आशीर्वाद चाहिए बस सर।
अरे आप सर मेरे से भी अच्छा करोगे।
Same.
Right.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Amir.
Yes, sir. All good, sir. सब अच्छा है. Technical levels and everything. Thank you. That's it. Thank you so much.
Sure. No problem. ठीक है guys, I think it's 11:15. सबको खाना वाना खाना होगा when everyone needs to get back to their bed. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for your kind words.